You feeling a little burnt out in your firewood business? Maybe a little bit like this car here. Well, I'll tell you what. A beautiful place to burn out, though. If you're going to burn out, what a great place to do it. This thing is like insta famous now. People tagging it and taking pictures in front of it and all that. Tourists. But if you're burnt out in your firewood business, I'm going to tell you how to begin to fix it. Here's see if you can see the mountains back there. This is like right where they filmed Jurassic Park. I'm going to tell you how to fix it. Step 1. Drop everything you're doing. Except deliveries. If you got deliveries, get them done. Answer your phone too. All those things still have to be done. Everything else, drop it. No chainsaws, no log splitters, no firewood processors, no YouTube videos about all that stuff, no maintenance, no chain sharpening, no tractors, no forklifts, no IBC totes. Just stop everything else except for what needs to be done, which is get your deliveries to your customers and answer your phone. And if you can have somebody else do that stuff, even better. Get a pen and a piece of paper, like old-fashioned. Make a list of the things that you don't like about your business. What do you hate? What don't you like doing? What is not going well? Make a list of everything you can think of. It doesn't matter if this takes 4 hours. Think of everything. Go through a day in your life, in your head. You know, right from the time you wake up till the time you go to bed. What went wrong that day? What's a typical item that goes wrong? Write all these things down. And when you're done with that list, start working on it one by one. You don't have to do it all in one day. You can't fix everything in one day. One by one. Right? Let's say the first thing on your list is my employee shows up late to work 15 minutes every day. Could be 5, it doesn't matter. Well, there's 2 ways to fix it, right? You just think of these things. Employee, unfortunately, is terminated, or you figure out how to get that employee to show up on time, which is probably not going to happen at this point. You need reliable people, right? Let's say another issue is that your splitter breaks down every other day, I don't know, every week. Something's wrong. Well, get that problem fixed. How do you fix it? You spend a bunch of money and fix your splitter, or you sell it and you go buy one that's reliable, right? And if you don't have the money to do that, well, that's a problem. Maybe you feel like you're not making enough money. Maybe you don't know how much to charge. There's tools out there to help you fix these kind of problems in your business. Go to firewoodmillionaire.com. There's a free calculator there. I don't know why anybody wouldn't use it. There's several people using it right now. There should be hundreds. There's no way everybody has their pricing nailed down where they don't need a tool like that. There's absolutely no way. I refuse to believe it. It's the greatest tool, literally the greatest tool you can have for your firewood business. You might think that's a $50,000 firewood processor, or my splitter, or my truck, or my trailer. No. The best tool for your business, if you don't have this dialed in perfectly, is the calculator that I built at firewoodmillionaire.com. I'm not getting anything out of that. There's a purpose to that website. It came by accident, but I'm not charging for it. But I guarantee you it's the best tool for the firewood business currently available. Currently. You don't even need a log splitter for a firewood business. You don't even need a chainsaw, right? You don't even need any of that stuff. You can buy pre-split wood from somebody else and just deliver it. You can have a dump trailer. You don't even have to have that. You could just sell. All you have to do is sell. Right? You can sell firewood from the comfort of your own home and contract the rest of it out. You don't even need one piece of equipment. And I know that for sure. 100% positive on that. But what you do need is to know how much to charge. You have to know your pricing. So if that's a problem in your business, use the calculator. Think of every single problem, write it down, and then go to work on fixing it. That's my message for today. There's the fire department helicopter. That's not a good sign. I see a lot of hikers going up today, and that usually means somebody's hurt or lost. So if you're burnt out like this car, fix it. Get to work on your business. Let me know if you need any help. I'll help anybody for free. I don't care. Let me know.